Hello, wealthy, successful, money making traders. This is your trader's friend. Thank you for joining me tonight for another video. I'm so glad you could be here with me. And I am making this video quickly because I have screwed it up twice already tonight. And I was trying to close out this trade when I was making the last video and I screwed it up again. But it just so happens when I was trying to make this video so I can show you this closeout live that I screwed this up. Thank you for joining me tonight, and prices just fallen back again below the 10 period SMA on the 1 minute time frame. I'm making this video tonight because someone asked me on the video I made last night why it is I trade the 1 minute time frame. I trade the 1 minute time frame because it keeps my stops smaller. This is my current hard stop. It's right at break even. And this is my soft stop currently. I was about to close out of this trade. However, I screwed up on the video and had to quickly make this other one. And while it was that I was setting up, you can see that price has fallen back down. But you can see what a lucrative trade this is. This candle, and this is actually, once it breaks here, you get out. But you can see that this candle's at 127.07. Right now, price is at 126.76. So you can see that in on the 10, out on the 10. If you get in at the right time, then you're in for a good trading market. Let me go ahead and, well, I was going to close out of that, but it did not re-break that. But this is how I got in. I got in earlier, got stopped out at break even. So what I did, you can see that I got the sell on the pullback, and I have written it down from this point to here. I don't know what the market is going to do the rest of the night, but this is what I mean by going in harmony with that overall trend. Now, what we had on the 15-minute time frame, and let me show you this on the 15-minute time frame as well. I'm going to go ahead and close that out because my attention is going from the video, going from this time frame to that time frame, and I may not have to close out. And I apologize that I'm so distracted. I'm going to close out so I can pay attention to the video. Okay. I did okay in that trade, so I'm alright with that. The reason that I don't trade, and I can trade off of larger time frames, you can see that for a good while tonight we were just kind of range bound, and we were going to resistance, support, and then we finally got this breakout. Once this candle broke and closed, what I would have been looking to do on the 15-minute time frame, I would put my stop loss at this point. And for me, that's quite a bit of a stop loss from where I entered. So this is why I trade the 1 minute time frame, so I can keep my stops nice and tight. But you can very well trade on a larger time frame like the 15-minute time frame. The benefit of trading off of a bigger time frame is your signals tend to be a whole lot more accurate. The challenge with trading a smaller time frame like the 1 minute time frame is that you're more likely to get more false signals. Also, let's take a look at this on the 5 minute time frame. Now on the 5 minute time frame, sorry about that. You know that I trade the break and close of that 10 period SMA, but you can see we're still range bound. Once you get the close below, or you start going below that 10 period SMA, then you can get in if you want to. If not, your stop loss is going to be almost at the same place it was on the 15-minute time frame. You have about a 3 pip difference, and you just continue to follow your price action. We hadn't had any more really large bearish candles at this point, and you can follow your stop loss as tightly as you want. But because it is the Asian session, I am so much more protective of my profits. But if you want to know what my scalping looks like, then this is what it looks like live. Also, um, you can see, just like I was saying in the video last night, once you get price flowing, then you get this little period of rest, and you can see how price is just bouncing up and down here. So for me, once I get, and you can see I have some sell limits in place, I'm hoping for a strong bounce back up. It may or may not happen, so that I can get in a sell at a better price. However, if I close above these candles and price continues on in a bullish fashion, then I'm going to go ahead and get out of that trade. Guys, I hope this was clear for you tonight, since I screwed this up twice before I made this one at the end. But I want to remind you that you can absolutely do this. You can be successful at Forex. Have a terrific pip filled trading week.